Hi, my name is Cherno. Today I'm going to show you our CLI coding agent that keeps developers in flow while handling the busy work. So our built Cherno CLI is to tackle two main pain points. The first one is the cost that comes with task switching, and the second one is the difficulty that we have to keep coding agents grounded and in context. So instead of having to bounce between multiple terminals, got editors, browsers, and all that, Cherno stays inside your CLI, will read your repo, and just like a teammate, execute the task without forcing you to be going out of your way. So at a very high level, our architecture has three main pillars. First is the planner that takes the user input and breaks it down into step-by-step tasks. Second is the sandbox layer that enforces our command and file system security policies. And last is the executor that streams progress through the CLI. So around those three main pillars, we do have some adapters for local and hosted sandboxes. We do have a memory module that handles context handoffs. And last, we do have some guardrails to keep our agent within policy. Next, I will show you the agent in action. So now that we are in our terminal, let's try our agent. We're gonna start it by calling its name, so it's Cherno, and we have this beautiful ASCII art that comes with it. Let's ask our agent to create us a HTML page that displays the date and time for Dakar and New York City. We'll ask it to add some fun background animations and enter. So here our agent is going to break our prompt step by step. It's trying to understand what we've asked it. So this is what the planner is doing, is going to break our prompt here into step by step for the agent to follow. It's thinking now. Let's give it a few seconds. It's thinking. Thinking really hard. All right, great. So here we have our file. It's just giving us a preview of the file, and as you can see, it created an HTML page, and it's asking us if we want to modify the file. So we're going to press Y for yes, and the file was created, and it's called timed.html. So now let's go and try to test this file. Let's look for it right here. And as you can see, we do have a pretty nice HTML page that displays the time for Dakar and New York City. What we can do to test our the context awareness of our agent, let's just go back to our agent and ask it, without mentioning the file, ask it to add Tokyo to our to the locations. So add Tokyo to the page. So again, it's going to go through that step of trying to understand our prompt. And as you can see here, we do have the first step is to read the file to synthesize the patch, and the instructions are add a third clock card for Tokyo alongside New York and Dakar. And right, great, we have the file now, and it's asking us if we want the changes. We're going to say yes. And now let's go back to our HTML page here. Let's just reload our page. And as you can see, we have Tokyo. Great. Obviously, this is just a easy, quick example to show that the agent is performing. There are many other ways that we could test this, but for the sake of time, I will stop here. So this was Cherno CLI. If you've liked it, let me know. If you have questions, let me know. I'll be glad to answer. And thank you for watching.